Hey guys, this is Fundo on Hupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, please like, comment, and subscribe. Kulego and Figile first phase 2 phase account and when Figile bold. Kulego can't believe his eyes when he see Figile he is still alive. And Figile does not want to see Kulego, but Kulego make it too near to Figile. Maharaji arrived at Nairobi Place, but Nairobi chased him away. While Mazulu and Sbongile arrived to visit Zetulele, but finding Noxola there with Nozi. And it seems like Sbongile is disappointed that Zetulele is still talking with Noxola, while Noxola become disappointed when he see Mazulu and Sbongile. While Pagade see his mistake about getting on the relationship of Mzwandile and Kanyu. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.